support and defend
that I will support and defend
the Constitution of the United States
the Constitution of the United States
and the state of Louisiana
and the state of Louisiana
against all enemies,
against all enemies,
foreign and domestic,
foreign and domestic,
that I bear true faith
that I bear true faith
and allegiance to the same,
and allegiance to the same,
and that I will obey the orders
and that I will obey the orders
of the President of the United States
of the President of the United States
and the Governor of Louisiana,
and the Governor of Louisiana,
and the orders of the officers,
and the orders of the officers
speak up, gentlemen, appointed over me
appointed over me
according to regulations
according to regulations
and the Uniform Code
and the Uniform Code
of Military Justice.
of military justice.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Oh man, your guys act like you so scared. How you doing? Congratulations, sir. Welcome. Congratulations to you. Congratulations to you. Welcome. Okay, what we're gonna do now is go back across the hall and sign your contracts, okay? All that. Thank you for coming, family members. I know it's been a long day.